So the first thing we're going to do is take the lace down through the outside first hole, push it down through the wing and down into the leather, and bring it up a little way into the shoe, and then pass your lace across the front, flattening it out, and you're going to bring it down through the inside first hole. So again, through the wing and through the leather, bring it up a little way, and then we're going to make sure the laces are the same length on both sides by putting the ends together and pulling up. And in that way, you'll make sure that they're the same length. So we're just going to tighten up that bar a little bit, and then we're going to start with the outside lace. We're going to bring it up through the third hole, so miss out a hole, bring it up through the third, push it through your leather and your wing, and then we're going to take that lace across the front and put it down through the opposite third hole. Just make sure as well that all your bars, as you work your way up the shoe, have got the same sort of tension as well. And then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to bring it up through the next available hole, which is the second hole on the inside of the shoe. And then I'm going to take it across the shoe to the opposite second hole. And I'm going to keep that lace in your hand and bring it up through the fifth hole. So miss out a hole, come up through the fifth. And then we're going to take it across the shoe to the opposite fifth hole. And when it comes out of the hole as well, you might just need to twist it a little bit, just gently, to make sure you get that nice flat lace as it comes across. And then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to bring that up through the next available hole. And then that's going to go across the shoe to the opposite hole. And then keep that lace in your hand, miss a hole, bring it up through the next available hole. And then I'm going to take it across the shoe to the opposite hole. Just making sure it's come out flat. So you get that nice flat bar. And then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to bring that up through the next available hole there on the inside. And then take that across to the opposite hole. And then keep that lace in your hand and you come up to the padded area at the top, and there's two holes in the padded area. We're going to go to the one nearest the edge, the first one. So push the lace out of there and then out through the first hole in the wing. And then we're going to bring that across to the hole on the other side. Just going to tape this lace here and put it down behind the tongue. Just push it down through the side. And then we're going to take this across, down through the wing, down through the leather. And you're going to make that last bar. So just make sure that all your bars are sitting and the same distance apart from each other, and they've all got the same tension too. You'll have these two laces and you're going to put those down to the back of the tongue. Now I always stop with the top bar there, just one bar across, because it means you can see the logo. But if you want to come further up the shoe, you've got enough lace to come out and back over again to make a second bar. It's all about personal preference. And there you've got your bar lace Jordan 4.